Maboy from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Luxodor niche perfumes. It's none other than Loyal Agar. So stay tuned. Loyal Agar is Luxodor's take on the very famous and bestseller from the house of Parfums de Marly, which is Layton right here. Now, first of all, I would like to thank my very good friend Dr. Chris Alcal again for making this video possible. Thank you so much, Doc. Later on, I will compare these two fragrances, this Loyal Agar and this Layton, and see whether this Loyal Agar really smells similar with Layton and whether this fragrance is a really good alternative to Layton itself. For the notes of Loyal Agar, we have the following. On the top, we have bergamot, apple, lavender, geranium, and violet. For the middle, we have patchouli and dry amber. And for the base, we have woody notes, vanilla, tobacco, and tonka bean. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. By the way, I got this fragrance from J Fragrance Corner. If you want to check their Facebook page, I'll put the link down below. Definitely worth checking out. So this is the box, and in front we have here the logo of Luxodor, right there. Loyal Agar. It's part of their signature collection. Loyal Agar signature collection, Woody Ambery. Now this one is Swiss fragrance. It's an extrait de parfum concentration, 60 milliliters, 2 fluid ounces, as you can see right here. Now on the top, we can see here the logo of Luxodor. Now at the back, we can see here the notes pyramid tree, which I mentioned a while ago. And this is a statement from Luxodor. If you want to read it, just pause this video right there. And this one again, Luxodor Swiss fragrances. Now this is the production date and the expiration date, as you can see here. Mine is a February 20, 2019 batch. Now at the sides, you can see here the very elegant design. Right there, very elegant design. It comes in this gold-plated design right here, right there, and at the bottom of the box, we can see here the barcode right there and the ingredients and this statement right here. When you open this package, this box, we can see here the bottle itself. It's not that safe, guys, because the bottle moves around the box, so it's not that secure, but it's okay. I got this fragrance for about 1,500 pesos, roughly about $30 US. Okay, so this is the bottle itself. There, the logo of Luxodor. Loyal Agar, extrait de parfum, 60 milliliters, 2.0 fluid ounces. On the top, you can see here, Luxodor, Switzerland. And it comes with this somehow a woody type of cap. Woody texture cap. Nothing at the bottom. At the sides, we can see here the same design. We can see here, same design, also here. And if you just look closely on the juice, you can see that the actual juice is just right about here. Right about here, and this is all bottle. So it's somehow heavy, nothing at the back, the same design, as you can see right there, which is embossed. For the sprayer, it comes in this bronze sprayer right here, right there. And let's check out the sprayer. It sprays something like this. It's not the best of sprayers, but it will definitely get the job done. So that's for the presentation of Loyal Agar. For comparison, I will also spray this Layton here on my right hand. Okay? There. For the opening of Loyal Agar, okay, so this fragrance opens up with a very sweet, prominent apple note with a hint of bubblegummy woody vibe. Now the sweetness comes from the apple, and the bubblegummy vibe comes from the cardamom, which I'm surprised not listed in the official note breakdown of this Loyal Agar. Now comparing this Loyal Agar with this Parfums de Marly Layton. Okay, so Layton has this very bright, piercing, straight to your face apple note, which is not found here in Loyal Agar. Layton also has this somehow rough texture in the smell, which is also not found in Loyal Agar, which makes this Loyal Agar somehow a smoother version of Layton, especially in the initial opening. For the middle part of this fragrance, it's been about 1 hour after my initial spray of this Loyal Agar. Yes, the apple vibe is still very prominent in this fragrance, and I also get that somehow a minty cooling vibe, which gives this somehow a Vicks Vaporub vibe. Now, it's somehow tamed, unlike this Layton right here. Yeah, the Vicks Vaporub vibe is really strong in Parfums de Marly Layton. Well, in this Loyal Agar, it's tamed. It's very tamed. Mint is also not listed in the official note breakdown of this Loyal Agar. I don't know why, but I really get that minty cooling vibe, minty cooling effect that this Loyal Agar has. And the woody vibe also becomes more prominent in this fragrance as we move towards the middle part of this Loyal Agar. And for the base, yes, this fragrance dries down into this sweet, bubblegummy, woody, powdery dry down. Now comparing it with Layton, yes, you can still smell the difference between these two fragrances, but they are at the same ballpark already. This Layton still has that very bright, piercing apple note, which is not found here in Loyal Agar, but they are at the same ballpark already at the dry down. So for the development of this fragrance, it opens up with that very sweet, prominent apple note with a hint of that bubblegummy woody vibe. Now as we go towards the middle part of this fragrance, we appreciate now that minty cooling vibe, which gives this Loyal Agar somehow a Vicks Vaporub vibe, and the woody vibe becomes more prominent in this fragrance. And for the base of this fragrance, it dries down into this sweet, powdery, woody, bubblegummy dry down. Now who should wear this Loyal Agar? Young adults up to the grown-ups can wear this fragrance. I won't recommend this to young kids because this fragrance somehow gives it a mature vibe, which I expect that the young kids won't be able to appreciate. Now, when should you wear this fragrance? You can wear this fragrance anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. It's a very versatile scent. Just be careful with the trigger. Even if this fragrance is a smoother version of Layton, it still has a tendency to be cloying, especially if you overspray this in the summer season. I prescribe you wear this in the fall or in the winter, but you can definitely rock this bad boy right here in the summer season. This is perfect for formal occasion scents, perfect for office scents as well, and you can definitely use this as a date scent because only a few people here in the Philippines owns a Layton, and you will definitely stand out among the crowd when you're wearing this Loyal Agar right here. How many sprays should you wear this fragrance? 3 sprays, 2 behind the ears and 1 behind the neck, and that's it. You're good to go. Let's go now and rate this Luxodor Loyal Agar. Now for the scent, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because guys, I really love the way Luxodor made this Loyal Agar. They really managed to copy Parfums de Marly Layton with less of that Vicks Vaporub vibe and made this into a smoother version of Parfums de Marly Layton. For the uniqueness, I will rate this one a 5 out of 10 because, well, do I need to explain more? This is a clone of Parfums de Marly Layton, so it's not that unique. For the projection of this fragrance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because, guys, this fragrance projected on my skin for about 3 to 4 hours, and in a good day, I think it will reach 5 hours. For the performance of this fragrance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because, guys, this lasted on my skin for about 12 hours plus, equally matching Parfums de Marly Layton's performance. And for the CH, I'll rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because it really leaves a massive scent trail. People will know your presence, people will know you just arrived, and you can literally fill up the whole room with this Loyal Agar right here. So for my overall rating of Loyal Agar, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10. The final question is Luxodor Loyal Agar prescription worthy? Definitely, yes. Guys, if you really love the scent profile of this Layton right here, but you're on a tight budget looking for a cheaper alternative, or you also have Layton already and you're saving up the juice, well, I suggest you get this fragrance right here. Why? Because Luxodor really managed to copy Layton with less of that Vicks Vaporub vibe and making this one a smoother version of Layton. And this fragrance lasts on your skin. This one projects like a beast and it will leave a massive scent trail. So what can you ask for more for this fragrance? It cost about $30 US, 1,500 pesos. How much does Layton costs? 10,000 pesos, roughly about $200 US. So see the difference, guys? See the price difference between these two fragrances, but you can still experience that Layton experience with this Loyal Agar right here. So if you're being practical, then I will really prescribe this Loyal Agar right here. And besides, ordinary people won't be able to say whether you're wearing Layton or Loyal Agar. They won't be able to tell the difference if you're wearing Layton, if you're wearing a $200 US perfume, or you're wearing a $30 perfume. The only thing that will matter to them is how good you smell. That's it. And for those who are asking how close is this Loyal Agar right here to this Parfums de Marly Layton, Well, I can say 90% identical. The only thing that's lacking in Loyal Agar is that very strong, prominent, bright, straight to your face apple note that this Layton has, that roughness that I was talking about in the initial spray, and that very prominent Vicks Vaporub vibe. But I think that's a plus for this Loyal Agar right here, because who wants to smell like Vicks Vaporub anyway? And that makes this Loyal Agar a bang for the buck Parfums de Marly Layton killer. You heard my review, now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Luxodor Loyal Agar. Do you own this bottle, or do you also happen to own Parfums de Marly Layton? Which one do you prefer? And do you also buy clones just to save up the juice of your original bottle? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedge for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video, have a nice day, and stay fragrant!